Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add your Revolut card to Google Wallet. It's very easy. I'm going to show you step by step. Just open up your Revolut application. Once you are inside the app, I just want to sign in. Once you are inside the app, go to the home page. On the home page, go to the top right corner where you can see this little card icon, and this is going to open up the cards menu. Inside the cards menu, you just select the card that you would like to add to Google Wallet. It doesn't matter which type of cards you have. This works basically with any of them. And when you open it up, on the bottom of the screen should show you the Google Wallet option. Obviously, I'm on iPhone, so for me it shows the Apple Wallet, but you can add it to Google Wallet the same way. And once you add it, you can just double tap and do the payment with the Google Wallet similarly as we do on the Apple Wallet feature. Please consider sending a super thanks donation if this video was helpful for you.